Hey guys, I'm Drew with Colton RV Marine. This is the Brinkley Z2900, and let's take a look at it. So starting here at the front, we got a fully molded, insulated fiberglass front cap, along with some underbelly storage, oversized underbelly storage in here with your generator prep, inverter prep, and ready for lithium as well. Coming around to the side here, you got the beautiful automotive grade decals and the nice Brinkley clean look to it. Opening up here, you got one of your propane tanks. You got room for up to 40-pound propane tanks in here. Coming around to the side here, you got your universal all-in-one docking station with your retractable hoses and your outside shower hookup. Along next to that is going to be the other side of your pass-through storage with your electronic auto leveling. Got your Furrion tankless hot water system on this one, and your 50 amp service cord below that. Now Brinkley doesn't have a back bumper on this, so your sewer hose is going to be stored right next to your outlet port. That's got a clear cap on the outside so you can see inside, make sure that you're not going to spill water everywhere on yourself. Coming around to the back here, you see the beautiful Euro style square glass windows. That's totally different than any other people on the market right now. Most of the time you're going to see rounded windows. These ones, you got them nice square windows. Coming around to the back here, you have another heated storage that's nice and large for you. You got a backup cam already installed on this one and your access ladder for the back. This comes with solar standard so that you can get up there and check your solar panels if needed. Coming around to the campsite here, you got two awnings. Nice, beautiful, big awnings. Keep you nice and shaded down here, along with your living room slide here. Coming around to the front door, you have an oversized front door with a pet/child screen already installed and your slab shot screen door. Also get your 4 solid steps here with your oversized grab handle for getting up inside. And then right in front of the door, you're gonna have your super large pass-through storage with another outside shower on this side and your access panel there so you can get to all of your wires and plumbing and stuff like that from this side. All right, let's take a look inside. Okay guys, before we start on the inside here, I just want to give you a couple of specs. So we're about 32'11" total in length and about 13'2" in height. Your hitch weight is about 2,081 pounds and your unloaded weight's about 674 pounds. Fresh tank, you also got 75 worth of fresh tank gallon. You got a 45 gallon black water and a 90 gallon gray water. That's all in one tank, so you don't have those two separate tanks like a lot of fifth wheels have. So kind of going around the inside here, you got your kitchen dinette area with your ottoman/coffee table set up there that comes out of there, so you can open that up so you can put it in front of the couch. Also, you have your beautiful Brinkley craft scents. They're moving away from their staples and putty, so you won't see any putty marks or staples on here. It's a nice smooth finish, giving it a nice clean look. A nice silverware drawer built right into your dinette table. 2 freestanding chairs, and then that moves over into the theater seating that is heated and USB, and it also has a wireless charger built right there in the center. Coming around the side here, you get 2 nice residential end tables with extra storage in them and little pop-up chargers in the back. Next, you got your beautiful pull-out love seat couch here that pulls out into a bed. Coming around, you have the other side of your beautiful windows that have built-in screens already built in for you. along with blackout shades on the top in there as well. Plenty of cupboard storage up the top. Coming around back here, you got your other end table and your entertainment center with your beautiful fireplace heater and your televator for your TV. Beautiful hardwood cabinetry all over the top here for your kitchen. You got your nice extra large microwave here. Along with your 3-burner cooktop and range. Built in here, you have 2 built-in trash cans, along with a built-in paper towel rack. Beautiful deep farm style sink. Might see a little bit of pink in here, but this one unit has been winterized, so that's totally normal. You got your spray down faucet and your drying rack for your dishes. Beautiful all hardwood drawers, just like the cabinetry. Extra deep for pans and pots. Coming around here to the fridge, residential style fridge. Fridge on the one side, freezer on the other. Extra large pantry with adjustable shelves in there, metal brackets, no plastic clips in there, and accent lighting so you can see what you're doing. Nice tile backsplash here with a plug with USB and USB Type-C. You have over 20 outlets in this place alone, along with USB and USB-C connected onto those outlets. Coming up around here, you have your access center, along with Brinkley's QR code for their app, so you can control and see your tank levels straight from your phone. You also have access to your max air vent covers, your light switch, and your solar controller. One thing about the Brinkleys is they do offer dimmable lights in the living area, so this dimmer will control the lights and dim them a little bit. You got your backless steps right here below me, so that you can put your shoes or anything like that. They're going to be slid nice and out of the way. Got a nice little coat cupboard for your raincoats. Stepping up back towards the bathroom here, you get 2 entrances. You get an entrance through your bedroom and an entrance through the main area. You got your porcelain toilet and your nice big shower. Nice solid countertop for the bathroom sink. And you get your vanity with medicine cabinet behind it. You get your air vents above us with your max air vent covers. And then moving into the bedroom, got your beautiful queen size bed, outlets on both sides for charging, plenty of cabinetry above. You get a nice TV in here as well, along with some coat rack or robe hooks. Your Furrion AC unit and nice large wardrobes so you can fit all your clothes in there. Thanks for joining me on this tour of the 2024 Brinkley Z2900 at Colton RV. If you have any questions, you can reach out to us online at coltonrv.com or call me directly at 716-694-0188, extension 469. Thanks, guys.